Got an 800 axis here today. We're going to be putting on our new Force Turbos exhaust can on it. I'm going to do a little, just show you how to take it off. You have 4 springs on it. You'll have 2 going from the expansion pipe to the can on top. You'll have 1 connecting it to a frame brace here, and then you'll have another long one on the back here. So we'll just use a spring puller to get these off. Pretty easy process. Pull it up on there, pull the springs off, got that one off, this one off here. Then it's pretty easy just to lift it out. Lift it out here, kind of got to wiggle it a little bit. Here we go, just like that. This part here is going to set over there, so you have to lift it up and out. Pretty simple. You can feel this thing's pretty heavy. Going to be losing a lot of weight when we go to the new can. We throw the new one on there. First thing we're going to do, line it up like that. Do this back spring first here. Pretty easy. Oops, got that backwards. Whoops. Put that one on. Do this front side one here. Easy as that. Then we're going to have 2 holes on the bottom here. What I'll do is I'll just mark them on the plastic with a little marker there. I've got a 7/32 drill bit here. Just go ahead and mark those and drill straight down through the plastic. And we've got 2 stainless steel bolts here with washers. We'll run them up through just like this. Pop those right up through there. Washer on top. It's a metric 10. It has a nylon on it to keep it tight. Easy as that. You can see can's not going anywhere. Real nice fit on it. Easy one. The next one's just nice and easy. Punch it through, tighten it down like that. You can put your hot dogger right here. A lot of guys like to run those. They can have some warm lunch in the afternoon time. Put it all on there. So there she is.